The video is titled Material for Wind Turbine as New Source of Energy. For your information, I create this video using VideoScribe application. What is the material used in wind turbine? Wind turbine usually composed of 71% to 79% made out of steel alloy. In wind turbine also use fiberglass, resin and plastic. I proceed the video. This part what we call is nacelle. Nacelle is where a part in a wind turbine there is the rotating bearing gear and the spinning motion from the blade transfer to the gear, and the gear will turn the dynamo to generate electricity, and the dynamo was placed in the nacelle. I don't know what to spell. I think nacelle. And second part of the wind turbine is the blade, and the third part was the hub, which is the connecting the multiple blade, that what we call hub, and the tower or the body is usually that made of steel alloy to support the structure, and the last one is the foundation of the structure. Okay. You might be thinking, what is the most important parts in wind turbine blade? And my answer is the most important part in the wind turbine is the wind turbine blade. The video I made is about something slow, right? So I'm sorry about it because I don't know that we need to insert our face in the video. So okay, wind blade, what we call it, material for wind turbine blade used for. I pause the video for a second. Material for wind turbine blade is resin of glass, fiber and reinforced polyester. Also sometimes the wind turbine blade use glass fiber and reinforce it with epoxy, and sometimes also we use carbon fiber reinforced with epoxy. But why we use this structure? Because why we use this material? Because it is lightweight, and also combining glass fiber with resin material result in composite that are strong, lightweight and corrosion resistant, and also dimensionally stable. And you might be thinking, the advantages of using lightweight material is to make sure the blade of the wind turbine is to spin faster and can capture wind at lower velocity for maximum efficiency. Why I will say that? Because when not all the time the wind blew the blade at high velocity. Sometimes the wind also blew the blade with the low velocity. So when we use the light material for the wind blade, and that's made the bearing that's made the blade too easily to rotate when the low velocity wind capture it. Furthermore, turbine blade must meet strict mechanical properties such as high rigidity, resistance to torsion and fatigue. material for wind turbine as new source of energy. And what is the criteria we need to choose in order to pick suitable material? I skip fast enough, which is finished product. Finished product must offer excellent corrosion resistance and high temperature tolerance, because the wind turbine will expose the acid rain, especially, and the rain, if we don't have resistance tolerance, the blade will rust. High temperature, sometimes when draft season, make the temperature outside is above sometimes 40 degrees Celsius, that will faster the oxidation of steel and thus lead to corrosion and rust. Thus, the most suitable material that can offer all the characteristics that I explained above was the composite material, that also can offer great stiffness in many instances and reduce weight and on finished part. Why we use the composite material? Because composite material is easy to repair and maintain for maintenance. Composite, due to their flexibility, make repair process easier for wind technician and also provide for a longer blade life, and thus reduce the cost for the wind turbine, and wind turbine will lead to green energy and sustainable energy for better future.